Welcome to the top best. The best Medimama Boob Tape is probably one of the most versatile and confidence-boosting solutions for anyone looking to achieve a flawless silhouette under any outfit, offering unparalleled support and lift without the constraints of traditional bras, making it an essential addition to your wardrobe for those special occasions or everyday wear where you want to feel secure and look amazing. Number 5. Risqué Boob Tape Breast Lift. Achieve the perfect lift and shape for your breasts with our innovative tape. It provides excellent support and definition for any outfit. Designed for all-day comfort, this tape stays securely in place. You can move with confidence knowing you have reliable support. Don't let sweat or water ruin your look. Our tape is waterproof and sweat-proof, ensuring it stays put through any activity. It works perfectly with sticky bras, backless or strapless options. Get a seamless look without visible lines or discomfort. For added convenience and coverage, nipple covers are included. Enjoy a smooth and flawless appearance. The natural beige color blends seamlessly with your skin tone. It's your secret weapon for achieving the desired silhouette. What we like? This option offers excellent durability for active days. It's waterproof and sweatproof, making it ideal for workouts or humid weather. If you need a secure hold that won't budge, you should consider this. What people say. The tape is comfortable and breathable, allowing for extended wear without irritation. It provides excellent support and lift, making it suitable for various outfits and bust sizes. The tape is easy to apply and remove, with minimal residue left on the skin. Number 4. VBT Boob Tape. Tired of uncomfortable bras? Discover the ultimate solution for a flawless silhouette. Our innovative tape provides secure and comfortable support, lifting and shaping your bust with ease. Designed for all body types, from A to G cups, this tape offers reliable lift and shaping. It's the perfect solution for achieving your desired look, no matter your size. Experience all-day comfort with our breathable and skin-friendly design. It stays securely in place, offering a smooth and invisible finish under any outfit. Not only does it provide excellent support, but it also comes with reusable silicone adhesive bras. This means you get long-lasting value and versatile styling options for any occasion. Embrace the freedom to wear what you want, when you want. This body tape is your secret weapon for achieving a natural lift and confident look effortlessly. Choose VBT for a revolutionary approach to bust support. Feel empowered and beautiful with a product designed to enhance your natural shape and boost your confidence. What we like? This choice is specifically designed for those with larger busts, offering reliable lift and support. It also comes with reusable silicone bras for added versatility. If you have large breasts and need dependable shaping, you should consider this. What people say. The tape is easy to apply and remove. It provides excellent support and lift. The tape is comfortable to wear for extended periods. Number 3. Busties Boob Tape Kit. Introducing the Busties Boob Tape Kit, your solution for effortless breast support. This kit offers a universal fit for all sizes. Designed for simplicity, it's easy to apply and provides a comfortable, secure fit. Achieve the perfect lift and shape you desire. Specifically crafted to offer exceptional support for larger busts. Enjoy confidence and comfort throughout your day. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a flawless look. It ensures discreet and effective breast enhancement. The nude color provides a seamless finish under any outfit. Feel secure and beautiful with this essential accessory. What we like? Get great value with this kit that includes multiple applications. It's designed for ease of use and a universal fit, making it accessible for everyone. If you're looking for a convenient and cost-effective solution, you should consider this. What people say. The tape is designed to be worn for extended periods, offering reliable support throughout the day. It provides a secure hold without causing discomfort, making it suitable for various outfits and activities. The tape is breathable and gentle on the skin, reducing the risk of irritation even with prolonged use. Number 2. Hopkost Boob Tape for Large Breasts. Tired of uncomfortable bras? Discover the revolutionary way to lift and support your bust. Our tape provides a secure and invisible hold, perfect for any outfit. Experience freedom and confidence with our discreet breast lift tape. It's designed to conform to your body, offering a natural lift that lasts all day long. No matter your cup size, our tape offers a customizable solution. Achieve the perfect shape and support you've always wanted, from A to G cups. For complete comfort and coverage, we've included soft nipple covers. Ensure a smooth finish under any clothing, without any irritation. Dance, swim, or move with confidence. This tape stays put, even through sweat and water. Enjoy a secure hold that keeps up with your active lifestyle. Our natural beige shade blends seamlessly with your skin tone. Achieve an invisible look, so you can wear any outfit with complete peace of mind. What we like? Achieve a seamless look with this invisible option. The wide roll provides ample coverage and support, especially for larger cup sizes. If you want a discreet lift that works well with low-cut or backless outfits, you should consider this. What people say. The tape is comfortable and stays in place all day. It provides great support and lift, making outfits look amazing. The tape is easy to apply and remove without causing skin irritation. Number 1. Boobytape Breast Lift Tape, Beige. Achieve the perfect lift and shape you desire. This tape provides a natural-looking enhancement for any outfit. Specially designed to offer comfortable support for larger busts. Feel confident and secure all day long. Enjoy breathable comfort that stays completely invisible under your clothes. No one will know your secret. Our body tape offers a secure and reliable hold, ensuring your look stays in place. Move with freedom and confidence. Comes with a pair of reusable silicone covers for added comfort and versatility. Perfect for any occasion. What we like? Experience comfort with its breathable design, perfect for extended wear. It provides excellent shaping and comes with reusable silicone covers for added convenience. If you prioritize comfort and a gentle yet effective lift, you should consider this. What people say. This tape is great for lifting and shaping. It stays on all day, even through sweat. The tape is breathable and comfortable to wear. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.